chargeability to tax by looking at taxation of company. Remember, I told you there are two persons that are liable to tax. Only two persons, an individual and a company. Taxation of companies. What is a company? What is a company? We need to know what a company is before we know how much of the income or what makes up the income of a company that is liable to tax. What makes up a company, or what a company is, can be seen or can be found in Section 84 of Company Income Tax Act of 1990 as amended. And what can we see there? It described a Nigerian company. Note, Nigerian company, as one incorporated under the Company and Allied Matters Act of 1990. So, for a company, for an entity or an outfit to be regarded as a company, it must be incorporated. What is incorporation? That's a different aspect altogether. How a company will be incorporated, the procedure that the company will adopt or will follow to be incorporated. Right? Now, just note that it is the Companies and Allied Matters Act that of 1990 that states what a company is, a Nigerian company is. Right? Again, Section 8 of CETA 1990, as amended, of course, charges to tax at the rate of 30% in each year of assessment the profit of any company. Now that we know what a company is, it is the profits of the company that is chargeable to tax at the rate of 30% in each year of assessment. Which profit? Which profit? Let's go on. It is the profit that is accruing in. That's the profit that is coming in. Accruing. Profit that came in. Derived from. If it is not coming in, it is being derived from. Okay? Or it is brought into or received in Nigeria. The bottom line is everything here has to do with Nigeria. For the profit to be liable to tax in Nigeria, it is either is accruing in, coming in, or is derived from here, or is brought into, or is received in Nigeria. Right? These words can be interchangeably used. However, where income is received from more than one logical source, that is from two or more tax jurisdictions. What are we saying here? Supposing income is received from Nigeria of a company, and a part of the company's income is received from Ghana. Alright? What happens? How much of the company's income will be liable to tax? That's what we are saying here. Okay? Now, the amount that will be liable to tax is that amount that is attributable to the operation within Nigeria. Again, we are looking at a company that has subsidiaries or branches, and then income comes in from all the subsidiaries. We're now saying how much of the income will be liable to tax in Nigeria. It is that part of the income that can be attributable to operations within Nigeria. So it is the Nigerian company that will be subjected to tax. The income from the Nigerian company that will be subjected to tax, of course, will be a portion from the foreign company that will be subjected to tax, but it is that part that is attributable to operations within Nigeria. Now, there's a distinction between a foreign company and a Nigerian company. That's why I was laying emphasis on Nigerian company here. Right? For a foreign company is one that is established. Foreign company is one that is established in a foreign territory. Right? Here we are. A foreign company is one established by or under any law in force in any territory or country outside Nigeria. That's what I've just tried to explain here. Okay, it therefore means that the Nigerian company is liable to tax on the global income that is brought into or received in Nigeria. Look at it here. Here, global income that is brought into or received in Nigeria. That's the aspect, or that's the amount of the income of a company in Nigeria that is liable to tax. So when it involves a foreign company, it's only profit, according to section 11 subsection 2 of CETA, only the profit that are attributable to operation within Nigeria that are taxable. Okay. Also note that provisions have also been made for special companies with foreign components. Right. These companies include companies that are in the business of air, sea, and telecommunication. Telecom, they don't put here telecom. So what are we saying here? Your MTN that has foreign component, of course. A company like MTN will not be subject to tax in the same manner that a company like Glo. You know what I'm saying here? Glo is an indigenous telecom company, while MTN has a foreign component. They will not be subjected to tax. The same rate, the same procedure. That's what we're saying here. Special provisions have been made for them. We'll get to know that later in the course of the lecture.